So hello everyone, this is Hazik Kirmani and this is one more problem of Newton's laws of motion in our most expected archive series, and I'm sure this question has a lot of potential to be repeated in JEE Advanced and obviously in JEE Mains always, fine. And the way NT is behaving these days, who knows, it can be repeated in NEET also. So what is given in this problem is a disk is kept on a smooth horizontal plane. So basically this disk is on this plane. This is a plane, okay, that is a plane. So we are having the top view of this disk right now, okay, it is on the horizontal plane. A groove is made in the disk, so we are seeing this groove from the horizontal plane as a disk is shown in the figure. The coefficient of friction between the mass m, basically this is mass m, okay, so the mass m is inside the groove. This is our groove and this is our mass m, fine, and the coefficient of friction is given, okay, and it is directly said the coefficient of friction is between the disk and the mass. So basically this mass, suppose this is a cuboid, it has 6 faces and it is touching the disk from 2 of the faces. One is this face that is touched, okay, we can only see one line because this is the top view, okay, and there is one more face, the bottom face, okay, this one is the top face. So the bottom face of this mass is always in the touch with the groove, fine, basically this plane of the groove, this wala plane, okay, fine. So let's see what is happening. We are supposed to find the acceleration of mass with respect to the frame of reference of disk. So in the frame of reference of disk, since our frame is non-inertial, we'll get a pseudo force in this direction, basically that will be m into a, m into 25, fine. So can we say if this is given as theta, alternate interior angles, so this is also theta and there will be one normal here, okay, that direction of normal will be ma naught sine theta, isn't that, sine theta. This is the normal in this direction perpendicular to this side, okay, that we cannot see the side properly because this is the top view, I told you already, okay. Can we say if this is the force ma in this direction plus x, so the same thing what we did in the wedge, okay, but it cannot have the deformation in the groove, isn't that, so it is constrained to move in this direction basically, fine, okay. So there will be a friction that will be acting against its motion due to this face that we can see as a line right now. So can we write that force will be mu times ma naught sine theta, isn't that, because this is the normal right now. This will be the frictional force, okay, due to side, okay, and in the same way there will be a frictional force due to the bottom also. See the bottom, we can directly say in the bottom the downward gravitational force is mg, so there should be a normal, okay, normal should come out of this plane, okay, we are in the top view, so that will be mu times mg directly, got it. So these two are the frictional force and both of them are acting opposite to the direction of motion. So can we make a net equation now, because the component of force that is trying to bring it in this direction is, and we say that is ma naught, basically this force cos theta minus fs minus fb, frictional force of side and frictional force of bottom. This should be equivalent to mass times acceleration, the acceleration we want to find, okay. So what is this, can we write a naught cos theta minus mu ma naught sine theta minus mu mg is ma, easy, m goes with m's, okay. Can we directly write what is a naught, 25, what is cos, okay, theta, sine theta is given, so cos theta is 4 by 5 minus mu is also given 2 by 5, a naught is 25, sine theta is given 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 G, suppose it's 10. Okay, it's also it's not given, no? Let's consider G to be 10 for now, is equivalent to the acceleration. So this is 5 4s are 20 minus 5 2s are 10. Okay, one more 5 is there, 10 divided by 2, so 6 basically. Fine, this 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 5 goes, so 6, and minus 2s are 4s are, this is the acceleration, and acceleration comes out to be, acceleration in this direction is nothing but what, 10 meter per second square. I hope you got this question. It is a simple question, but it can be explored more, because you have to visualize this, the friction that is happening due to the two sides, the relative motion of two sides of this block with the groove. So this was it for today's class. We'll see you in the next beautiful problem.